Okay. Well,
Let's do it.
we are a go.
What do we go for?
Hey guys, it's Chris Katrina with our everyday getaway, and you guys will have to excuse me. I lost my voice a few days ago, and it's now starting to come back. And no, I don't have a cold. I don't know what happened. I just lost my voice.
He was talking too much.
Yeah, I think that's what happened.
It was.
We're gonna do a quick video this week.
Yeah.
A short video. This is real time. Katrina and I are currently in Maryland. We've been here for 2 weeks.
It'll be almost 2 weeks. We drove up because our daughter was having our second baby grandchild.
Yeah.
So exciting. And we figured if we were up here for the grandbaby, we would get a lot of our doctor's appointments and things like that taken care of. So it has been a daily rush to get all our dentists and doctors and regular checkups and all that kind of stuff done.
Yeah, this is one of the things you have to deal with full-time living on the road. And we need to come back to Maryland, I'd say about every 6 months.
Well, at least for you, every 6 months. I
Yeah.
could probably get away with once a year for most of my appointments.
We wanted to do a real-time video, kind of give you a summary, an update on the things that are going on. It's a first time for us. It's the first time.
It's the first time for us. Oh,
Yes,
my.
It's the first time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
This year
We'll talk about that later.
Okay. Well, this year, my plan is to try to get Katrina to do all the talking because I'm still recovering. But
Okay. Well, we can talk about the Tampa RV Show then. We
yes,
talk about that?
yeah,
All right.
we'll start out with the Tampa show.
All right. So we will be at the Tampa RV Show starting on Industry Day on Wednesday, and then we'll be there the whole time, walking the grounds, meeting everyone, and going into the RVs and doing all that kind of fun stuff. We will be there till Sunday, so we'll be there every day. So if you see us, please stop us and say hi because we don't know faces, so it'd be nice to meet everybody.
Yes, this is our first time to the Tampa show as content creators. So we will be recording some content and we'll walk around. We don't have a table, we don't have a booth. We're just kind of hanging out with the rest of you guys, taking it all in and enjoying the sights and sounds.
So we will be staying on the grounds. We'll be staying on the fairgrounds. We'll be in the rally section. And like I said, we'll be there every night, every day. So whatever day you guys are going to be there,
yeah,
we'll be walking around.
Stop
Stop
us and say hi. Don't be shy. We'd love to meet you guys and we'd love to get a picture with you if you guys don't mind. And it's going to be a whole new experience for us, and we're going to be learning as we go along and check things out. So that's pretty exciting. It's a different point of view.
It's a different point of view. And we get to leave this cold weather back in Maryland and hightail it back to Florida.
Yeah, there's cold weather here, and I'm no
so
fan
fun.
of cold weather.
Yeah.
And what else are we doing while we're at the show?
What are we doing? Oh my goodness. We're going to the rally with Phil and Stacy.
Actually, it's a meetup.
Oh, I always mess those things
It's
up.
a meetup.
It is a meetup.
Phil and Stacy with Today is Someday, which used to be you and me up in the RV, are having a...
along with RV Unplugged.
Yes, they're having a meetup. And they're including RV Unplugged cast. So you guys get the chance to meet everyone.
Not everyone. I think one of the couples isn't going to be there.
Yeah, that's true.
As far as if I'm correct, Mike and Susan from RV Blogger are not going to be able to make it. And they have some exciting news in their family, but we'll let them tell you what that is. But it's a happy time. So tickets are still available. They were doing 3 different windows, and it was because of a fire code that they had to break it up into 3 different sections. But there is one section available still for purchase. What is the price of the tickets? Do you remember?
I'm not I think I want to say it was $10. We'll put a link for everything. We'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out. Tickets there's only a limited number of tickets available.
A couple of days ago, it was around 50, so I'm not sure how many there are left now. But I think it's an hour long that everybody gets to come in, meet Phil and Stacy, meet the cast of RV Unplugged.
And all the proceeds 100% of the proceeds go to veteran charities, and that's really important.
Yeah.
So think about it.
It's Friday the 20th, so it's January 20th, which is a Friday. So if you guys are at the Tampa Super Show, this is right in the same area. Why not stop by and support, this great organization and get to meet everybody while you're there?
Yeah, it sounds awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Oh my God. Why do you keep putting me on the spot?
Well, because I can't talk.
Oh, you bring it up and I'll talk about it.
Okay. Now let's talk about our plans for 2023.
2023. Wow.
Yeah. What exactly are our plans?
Our plans are to stay in the winter in nice, sunny, warm Florida.
Through April.
Through April,
Yes.
right. And then we're going to travel out to Texas, and we will be there for the RV Unplugged rally. So
Right, that's another thing we want to talk
that?
about. Yes, we want to talk about the RV Unplugged rally, which is happening, I think May 4th through the 8th. It's a rally where you get a chance to stay with the cast and crew, and there'll be food, and there'll be good times and partying and all these things that we're going to do. And you get to hang out with us and view the last episode of RV Unplugged.
Season 1.
Season 1, as you know, you get to hang out with the entire crew.
So you get to find out
who wins
right there with all of us. So that should be really fun.
So the thing about the rally is there's only a limited number of spaces available.
It's around 150 spots.
And it's all dry camping.
Yes.
Okay, but it's only for 4 days.
They do give you water, and they do let you dump on your way out. So.
Yeah, so don't worry about it if you don't have solar. Don't worry about it if you don't have lithium batteries.
Right.
You'll be fine. But the spaces are limited. Now, they will go on sale soon.
They're going to go on sale to the public starting on January 20th, that Friday.
Right, so you want to check that out.
Yep.
There are different zones. There's like 3 or 4 different zones available.
And what that means is that they're different price points.
Yeah.
So the farther you stay away from the cast and crew and the main staging area, the less expensive, obviously.
Yeah, the prices will vary.
So there's different price ranges for everyone. Just depend where you want to be and what you want to do.
It's going to be a great time.
It is.
We're going to have a blast.
It is.
Trust me, if you're there,
it shouldn't be too hot.
We're going to have a blast. We're going to have a good time.
We are.
But it's 4 days of just silly nonsense.
Just fun hanging out with other RVers, just having a good time.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're really looking forward to that. So we're doing that in May. But then we have to
hightail it over to South Carolina because we have a family vacation in Conway, South Carolina.
One of our favorite resorts.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good. If you guys have not been there, can we say where it is?
No, it's got to be top secret. It's top secret information. We're not allowed to tell you.
Okay,
of course.
tell them what it is.
You tell them.
No, you tell them.
My voice. Really?
Yeah, tell them.
Carolina Pines RV Resort.
It's amazing, guys. If you have not been there, you have to check this place out. We have gone, this will make our 3rd time going there. And every time we go there, it gets better and better.
It's phenomenal.
They add more things, to the place, live music, restaurants with awesome, fantastic food with chefs and food trucks and water parks. And now they have a lazy river, and they have a beach house in Myrtle Beach that actually they have a shuttle that they'll drive you there and bring you back as a pool, right? Doing private pool on the beach. You don't have to worry about if you want to have a cocktail or go shopping in town. They'll drive you back. I mean, it's just so much to see and do.
Katrina's doing a review.
Because I'm so excited about it. I love it.
On Carolina Pines RV
I love
Resort.
it. I love it.
Yeah, it's fantastic. We'll be there for about 10 days in June.
Do you want me to review it some more? I have more to say.
No, we'll save that for later. We'll save it for later.
Okay.
After that,
we're back up to Maryland, where we're going to stay for about 2 months. So again, we do doctor's appointments, and we kind of want to hang out in the area and do some local things. We miss the seafood in Maryland.
I don't miss it enough to want to
do.
stay here for 2 months.
But we're going to.
Yeah, we'll be here for 2 months while we kind of, I guess, reorganize and take care of a few things.
Reorganize, take care of some things, visit with those grandbabies.
And then
Yes.
we are
going to do the Northeast this year.
Northeast Corridor. And
Yeah.
once again, we haven't planned anything yet. We got to start getting on that and start making reservations and everything, but we're going to do the Northeast Corridor.
So if you guys have a favorite spot that you love to go when you do that Northeast Corridor, let us know.
And
hopefully we can still get in.
Alan, you know who you are. Thanks, Alan, for all the information. You've given us a lot of information to go through.
Yeah, Chris has
To
told
help
me
us
that
out.
Chris has told me I have my work cut out for me.
He does. Yeah,
I haven't looked
she
yet.
does. Yes, she does.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and then we're going to come back down and head to near the end of the year.
We'll come back down. We're going to spend like Thanksgiving here in Maryland with family, because we didn't do that last year. We didn't really care for that. We like
Yeah.
to be around family for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And then we're going to head down to hopefully Gatlinburg area and do Christmas there, and then bring our family in and kind of celebrate down there.
And we'll work our way back to Florida for the winter once again.
Once again. So
Yeah. So we already have the year figured out. I'm sure a lot of you who full-time RV are already looking at 2024.
Oh, I'm sure they are.
And we're doing the same thing as
The
well.
real organized ones, unlike us.
Yeah, so once again, I apologize for my voice, but at least it's coming back. And
It is.
this year looks really exciting. It's going to be a blast. We're going to have a
I
great
think it's
time.
gonna be
This
a great
past
year.
year was fantastic.
Yeah, we did.
We went a lot of places, seen a lot of things, and most importantly, we met a lot of new people and made new friends, which was fantastic. And
Awesome.
like Katrina said about the subscribers,
They're not really our subscribers. They're our friends.
yeah, you guys are friends, without a doubt. Well, there you go, guys. That's it. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If this is your first time here and you like the two of us and you like the content, please consider subscribing to
Oh my
the channel.
goodness. Yes.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, just, we're so excited about getting back down to Florida that we cannot, I really mean it. I can't wait to get there and just go and meet people.
Can't wait to see you guys.
Yeah, it was so much fun because we had said earlier, we don't have family and friends that we knew of before we started this venture that like to go camping or RVing or traveling. So we're kind of out there doing it by ourselves. And our kids were older. They weren't really interested. Now some of them are a little bit more interested in going with us sometimes. But now we feel like we go places, people...
We have friends.
Yeah, people are our friends, and we can hang out. Like, we've gone out to dinner now. We've just hung out by the campfires. We've gone and it's been so much fun. This is what we were looking for.
Exactly.
And I couldn't be happier, or we couldn't
Thanks,
be happier.
guys. Thanks. We
Thank
said
you.
it over and over again, but thanks. It's been great. It's been fantastic.
Yep.
Well, there you have it. That's what's going on. Just a quick video this week. Nothing fancy, nothing, just nuts and bolts about what's going on. We'd love to see you at the Tampa show. And what
I
else?
think that's it.
That's it, guys. Hey, remember, any day you can get away is a great day.
Guys.
Thanks, guys. You guys take care. We'll see you. Better voice and all.
See ya.